A rollout cantilever rack is particularly beneficial in manufacturing workshops laden with numerous steel profiles. Stacking these profiles on the ground not only consumes excessive space, but also complicates the retrieval of specific profiles. The rollout cantilever rack addresses two crucial issues. Firstly, it utilizes vertical space to expand storage capacity. And secondly, it offers complete selectivity, significantly enhancing manufacturing efficiency by facilitating quick and easy access to any profile. The motorized rollout cantilever rack automates the storage and retrieval of elongated materials such as iron bars, piping, and various raw materials. It features motorized arms that extend and retract automatically with the push of a button, significantly reducing manual effort. In contrast, the traditional rollout cantilever rack relies on a manual crank system to extend and retract the arms, requiring more physical effort and time from the operators. While a standard rollout cantilever rack suffices in many situations, we recommend a motorized rollout cantilever rack for clients who need to store exceptionally heavy profiles, particularly those weighing up to 5,000 kilograms per bundle.